Hey, welcome back everybody. My name is Dean from Scenescapeshop. This is your Coffee Break Thursday. Now just a quick one this week. I got a bit of a head cold, so I'm just going to rush through the introduction and say this week's going to be a slightly different. My nephew Jake asked me to paint Pokemon for him, and of course I said yes. I mean, uncle duties, you got to say yes to the kids. So I'm going to paint Pokemon. Now I understand Pokemon is very, very popular, especially with the kids. I've got no idea which Pokemon are cool, or what they look like, or what their special powers are. I know Pikachu, bless me. But I thought from last week's painting with the magnets, I thought it would be a good opportunity to show what I can do with these. So if anyone out there collects trading cards, whether it's wrestling trading cards, Magic the Gathering cards, Pokemon, things like that, you can have a display now using your cards if you want. And I'll show you what I mean at the end of this video. Putting the Pokemon cards on each individual's character's panel and having them on display for Jakey. If you are a collector, or if your kids or grandkids or nieces and nephews are a collector of trading cards and things like that, let me know if you want a painting of something and I'll paint it for you. I'm not one of these artists that just does mountains or just does, seascapes or waterfalls. Or I only paint snakes. I'll paint anything you want, so let me know if you want something painted and I'll do it especially for you. Just quickly as well, I wanted to show the wooden panels that I work on for some of my more elite works of art. 12-inch by 12-inch wooden panels, exhibition panel. Very smooth finish, allowing for a nice rich image. And I recently painted the Northern Lights on one of the panels. I just wanted to show you because my frame finally came for it. This is on sale with the frame ready to hang. So I just wanted to show you. So this is an original work of art, framed up. Look at that. Now, isn't that beautiful? Imagine having that hanging up in your home. But look at that, isn't that funny? With a nice border around it. So that's a wooden panel, original work of art, all framed up, ready to hang in your home. And I'll be selling those. I'll be doing various different landscape images on those panels. That is the first one. The second one's coming soon. I'll let all the collectors, my patrons, and you of course know when and where they'll be on sale if you're interested in those. Right, as I say, nice and quick this week. I do have a few paintings to get on with. Look at that. If Adam's watching, he's dropped his shoulder there. You can see his Star Wars painting taking shape. Adam, no, peeking now. You don't want to spoil the surprise, but it's nearly finished. So yeah, Jake asked me if I could paint Pokemon, and of course I had to say yes. And he's just done his Sats. He's done well in his Sats. He's aced them. And he's made the all-elite star basketball team, and he scored a basketball net. He scored a goal. He scored a net. A net? The ball went in the net for his team. He scored a point. I think it was 2 points. In fact, it might have been 3. I've got no idea how basketball works. Whatever happened, he's done really well, and he deserves a painting. Jake and everyone else, pop that kettle on. Mix up. Well, actually, Jake, don't pop the kettle on. You can have juice or something, or maybe some Coke or something. Some water. Everyone else, pop the kettle on. Mix up a cup of coffee or a cup of tea. Pop your feet up, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Cheers, Jakey. Gotta catch 'em all.